birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear cameraman. Happy birthday to you. It's Mick's birthday. And I was going to have him do a video today, but it's his birthday, so I have to cut him
So I get the day off, kind of.
He just gets to film. He doesn't have to be on camera. But, hi. Let's see, how do I say this again? Hey, it's me. Welcome to James Jam. I'm James. This is my jam. Well, I get thrown way off if I don't start it that way.
Clearly.
We are on day 21 of Vlogmas, otherwise known as Mick's birthday.
Oof.
And so, to start, I am going to open up day 21 on my little advent calendar here. Oh, actually, I also have to open up day 20 because we did not open a day yesterday because we went live.
That's right.
So let me start with day 20 here.
It's double day.
It's double day, yeah.
Not Abner.
Oh my gosh. Abner Doubleday? I don't know who that is. Is it a baseball player?
No, he was allegedly the founder of baseball,
okay.
But I don't know that he really was.
It's a good thing. That was an extra day because there's nothing in day 20. Okay. That was an uneventful day 20. So I know we're going to get good. We'll do something good on your birthday. So let's see. Day 21. Trying to see how this opens. Okay. I think I have the door. What in the Sam Hill? Okay, I'm clearly tearing this apart because part of day 8 was in there. Oh, we got the rest of
Cousin Eddie's
Cousin Eddie's, yeah,
RV.
So
that
very
there's
nice.
A recreational vehicle.
Nice. Okay. So I am so excited because I have another unboxing for you. This box may look familiar, and I must wonder how I make it safely through my day.
We wrap her in bubble wrap, and she does wear a helmet when we're out in public.
Right? Because between the scissors I'm carrying around for opening packages or quilting, and just my clumsiness, it's a wonder I make it from place to place safely. So this may look familiar to you.
Usually I give her kids scissors.
Because I have opened up something like this recently. Oops,
oh boy.
I did it again. I should stop singing. I got a care. Oh, there's a care guide. Oh, this is neat. Your order was hand-packed with love by Amy. Thank you, Amy. Amy rhymes with Jamie. That's probably why. This, I am telling you that, oh, it smells so good.
That's me.
When I opened up my last one, I fell in love with that bag, and I went right into it because it was so good. And I'm like, for the price and stuff, and well, then I carried it for the week. I didn't want to get out of it. And so I'm taking the wrapping off so I can reveal it to you and you can see what it is, the color. I didn't want to get out of the bag, so I didn't, but for the price and everything else, I had to do it again. And this time I got, this is one of their newer colors, coffee. Can you believe it, guys? It's like a neutral. It's a brown bag, again with the silver hardware. This is the clementine bag. It's got beautiful, beautiful pebbled leather. Little things, not exactly feet, but just about. And this is from the brand The Horse. Yeah, it's called coffee. There's a little tag.
Is that regular or decaf?
Yeah, it gives you a little swatch here. And me, who's never been a neutral girl, has started to fall in love with neutrals. If they come from the bag The Horse, I am a neutral girl because I love my black one. And oh, these are so good. Oh, look at this is so well packaged. It's got that in there. And then look at this. This bag has slouch. You wouldn't know it because of how packaged up it is. How good. It is stuffed to the brim. Sorry. Including the strap. So this one, the interior is dark. It's like a black interior. My other one was a light colored one. And then it has one slip pocket in the front and then a zipper pocket in the back here. It's got this non-removable handle. Oh, just look at the slouch. Look at the slouch.
You're a tremendous slouch.
It's like they're giving these away. I mean, these, I think it was $209. Free shipping to the U.S.
How long did it take? Was it on the slow boat or did it
No.
come over pretty quick?
I would say that, let's see, I didn't order this till after I unboxed my black bag. I got this yesterday in the mail, so I had to open it right away. And I ordered it probably the week before. So I would say for sure less than 2 weeks. And it comes from Australia. And then I'll just show you the strap here.
Does it come with a Vegemite sandwich?
No. At least not yet. Maybe that's something they'll change in the past or in the future.
In the past.
Never mind.
Wow.
Words are hard. Staying safe is hard. Words are hard. Oh, I love the silver hardware on this. It's so
like
pretty.
a snake letting go of its skin.
I know. I might need more of these. These are the only thing I don't, these are really, I'm not going to try to get this out because they wrap these so tight, but it is an adjustable, removable strap. It does have these, which aren't always the easiest to use if you want to adjust them, but I don't usually adjust mine. I usually keep it where it is. This strap is so comfortable, and isn't it just gorgeous? Isn't it? The slouch. I wanted that side trunk from Louis Vuitton. That was on my wish list. It's something I've been looking at forever, and now I don't feel like I need one because holy crap, I could buy every color they have and then some over and over, and even buy their minis because this does come in a smaller size and still pay less than you'd pay for that Louis Vuitton trunk. And this is all leather. It smells so good. It's just, I really like this color. What is happening to me? The Horse is making me like neutrals. I have a black and now this brown, and I just want to get into this. I'm going to hold off on this one just a little bit because there's some other bags I want to carry around Christmas time. But just look at this. I'm telling you, if you haven't looked at the Horse, run. Don't walk to it. And like, I was talking to someone else about it. They asked me like how I felt about it compared to, say, Coach. And I would say this is as good, if not better, than Coach boutique bags. Even a fraction of the price. I don't know how they're doing this for this price. Like, I want to go right to the website now and order another. Just
no.
They have mainly neutrals. I still would like to get. They have like a burgundy color I'd like to get, and then they're green. I'm kind of iffy on. I got to look at it some more, but
not a real strong color green. Or?
It's kind of more of an olivey. Are you trying to talk me into it?
No.
It's more of like an olivey green.
Like all of the other reindeer?
Yeah, but oh my God. I mean, this is just, the glazing is just perfect. The stitches are perfect. The pebble leather is phenomenal. Can you smell it?
It smells like a horse.
It smells. It does not. Smells like the horse's saddle.
Better than the horse's bleep.
Yeah, and then I mean it's so low profile, like you can barely tell what that says. But just look at the slouch. I don't know what it is about me and the slouch, but oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. This is really all I have for you today, but I am so in love. I really do. I want to go to the website and order some more. If these came in bright colors, I would be a goner. I would have one in every color. I love this bag. This should just be called the Jame instead of the Clementine, because this is me. This is my bag.
Is that your jam?
Yes, it fits everything. It's just, I love it. You guys need to go and check this out. $209, free shipping to the U.S. These bags.
That's a bargain.
It is. It's like owning a Celine bag or a Mulberry or whatever. I mean, the craftsmanship is fantastic. I love this. And the strap is so comfortable. I can't say enough good things about this. I'm not sponsored. Hey, the horse, if you want to sponsor me, I'm all for it. But yeah, their website, it's kind of limited. You know, they don't have a ton of bags available. But they keep restocking and they keep coming back into stock. And yeah, I think they're awesome. I just looked up the horse on Google and that's how I found it. Well, that's because it kept on showing up in my feeds on Instagram. And I'm so glad it did. I kept on seeing it and thinking, there's no way. These bags are too good to be true for the price and everything else. But no, they are phenomenal. Phenomenal. Fantastic bags. I love them. So that is what I have for you today. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Just trying to grow my channel. I typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, but during Vlogmas, I'm hitting every day December 1st through the 24th.
3 days left.
I know. On the 24th, I get to do my unboxing from my Secret Santa, so I can't wait for that. That's going to be awesome. And we went live last night, and thank you everybody who was there. That was a good time. 2 hours we were on live, and it was just awesome. I just really enjoyed it. I put out book videos every other Thursday. So typically I'm more of a luxury contemporary bag channel, but I do put out book-related content on every other Thursday. I think starting in the new year, I'm going to start showing, I don't know if you're showing the tree. The next year I want to start doing, I was thinking about on Mondays doing a bag swap. So showing you how I switch out my bags and switching into the new SLGs. And at the same time, I would like to highlight content creators. I recently made a public service announcement about how I think it's terrible how many people are out there using other creators' content to just make fun of them. And it's so disheartening that if I can spread a little more positivity out there, I want to do it. So that may kind of coincide with the Monday videos that I think I'm going to start doing. So yeah, and if you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm over there too at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually put out a reel once a week, again, showing you my new bag of the day and the SLGs that fit in it or that I'm using. And I will say then, this was longer than I thought it was going to be. Until tomorrow, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.